In this video, we'll show you how to use Plumsail Public Web Forms. Click Start Trial and enter your name and email to start a free trial. When you click Submit, you'll be prompted to create a Plumsail account, a necessary step to install Forms. Add a password and create an account. When you create an account, you will be automatically redirected to Forms section. In this section, you can download and install desktop application. Please download the exe file and run the installer. You need to click Install here to show that you trust the app. It'll take a few seconds to install, and you'll get the latest version of the desktop editor. Click Run, and here you can log in with the newly created Plumsail account. So just enter your email and password, which you specified just a few seconds ago. When you log in inside the editor, you'll see an empty form. Adjust the editor and start creating your first form. First, I've added header text to the form, so users know what this form is. It's a header. And I made it 12 wide. Added title field. And also made it 12 wide, so it takes 100% of the form. I also added multi-line text field, description. Yes. And I've set it to plain text and set layout to vertical for both fields, as it looks better in my opinion on most devices. I've added the submit button and saved the form as the report form. As you see from this message, the form has been saved. And now we can preview it. It looks good. So here we have title and description. We close it and we can start configuring flow. When you open Microsoft Flow, go to My Flows and create New from blank, search, and search for Plumsail Forms connector. Here it is. Now you need to select Form is submitted trigger. Here you need to sign in with your Plumsail account. If it's opened already, it will sign in automatically to the currently opened Plumsail account. But if you go and you log out from your account, like this, when you add a new connection, you will need to log in again. So simply enter your email and your password and click login. This will create a new connection to your Plumsail account and to all the forms that are stored in there. So go to the editor, open General Settings, and copy Form ID to the Flow connector. This will make it possible to detect when the form is submitted. Search for actions that you want to add later, for example, SharePoint. We can create an item with submitted data. And I select my test site, reports list, and it only has title and description. So I add title and description from my form and save the flow. When the flow is saved, I can safely go back. You see the flow hasn't been started yet, but we can open the preview page, enter some text, for example, their testing flow connector, and we are currently testing it. So if we actually see this text in SharePoint as an item, that means that, well, the test was successful. Congratulations. So let's submit the form. And let's go back to Flow. Let's refresh the page. And as you can see, it succeeded 7 seconds ago. So right here we have the results. Here is our text. And it's all entered correctly into SharePoint fields. Finally, I want to show you how to save your submissions to the Plumsail account. For this, go to Plumsail Account, go to Forms, and select the form that you want to save here. Check Save Posts and open the form. Now I will add attachments field to our form just for demonstration. So we'll slightly adjust it so it looks a little bit better on our form. Okay, let's set the width and save. I'll input some random data here. And select an attachment. This PDF will be an example. Alright, click Submit and go back to your account where you clicked Save Post. Refresh the page and here we have all the data. You can expand it, see all the information, and more importantly there is even a URL to download the attachment. You can open it and check it out, no problem at all. Now finally you can also export any number of items to CSV file to open in Excel or somewhere else. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and check out the product.